Can I have the circle? Thank you, Emma. Can I have the triangle?
Yes.
Okay, where's the triangle? Where's the triangle? Can I have it? Thank you, Emma. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yay! Can I have the square?
Yeah.
Thank you, Emma. Thank you. And what about the star? Can I have the star?
Yes.
Thank you. Is that the star?
Uh,
Yeah. Thanks, Emma. Oh, you gonna give me the circle too? Thanks, Emma. And the cross. And the triangle. And the square. Thanks, Emma.